Hey, I'm James, and this is my Sunday Forecaster bike. It's Sunday Forecaster. I got it just a couple months ago. Just finished it, completely custom. Every single thing is custom on it, and yeah, I love this thing. So I'm just gonna start by telling you the parts here. Let's see, we got the Colt Leader V2 bars with Colt Vans grips here. They're kind of chewed up. And then we have the Odyssey mono lever, small lever, and then I have an Odyssey slick cable, Odyssey linear slick cable. And I also have the awesomest forks. I love these forks. Fit Shiv 2 forks. They're really great. They're like the lightest on Dan's comp. And then I have the Odyssey Banduro hub laced to a quadrant rim. And then I have the Odyssey Aaron Ross tires. I have a Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra slim seat. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's just my opinion on it. And then the seat clamp came with it. I have an E-Clay seat post. I have the old Demolition medial cranks with Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. And the bottom bracket inside there is a stolen mop bottom bracket, I think. And then I have a back hub Odyssey Hazard hub, and it's laced to another quadrant rim. These are the quadrant set. My brakes are Odyssey Evo 2s. They're kind of shredded inside there, but yeah, they're Odyssey Evo 2s. And then my sprocket is a Fit down low sprocket, and I think that's it. Oh wait, no, I have a Primo, a 9-relator stem, the old version that's got the hollowed out here. And yeah, this is my bike. Oh wait, I forgot about one thing. The Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain. But yeah, that's it. Alright, that's my bike. Hope you like it.